What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to buy VRA Verasity. I'm gonna show you guys here in depth, step by step, how to buy VRA, and I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways on how to buy this and which one I think is the best way possible and the one that I actually like to do. So let's get started here with the video. If you guys didn't know, I actually made a video on VRA a couple months ago, and in that video I basically give a brief overview of what VRA is, and I'll leave that video up here in the cards if you want to see that after this video. These are all the exchanges that have VRA, but the thing about this is that it shows you the withdrawal fee and the minimum withdrawal amount. Now this is super important because if you ever plan on withdrawing VRA to some other wallet in the future, there's a withdrawal fee. Gate.io withdrawal fee of 900 VRA, which at the moment is $46, and Kucoin, which is the one that I used to buy VRA at, is 1000 VRA, which is $51, and there's some other ones here. Bittrex, the cheapest one is OKEX. I've actually never used that one, but if you do have that one has the lowest withdrawal fee of $12 and the minimum is 51 cents. Kucoin doesn't have a minimum. Gate.io does have a minimum of 900 VRA. So before, I used to buy a VRA on Kucoin just because I had the exchange and it was really the only one that I can buy VRA with. But I'm going to show you guys here in this video the best way to buy VRA in my opinion. Now of course, if you have Kucoin or Gate.io, you can simply just go on Kucoin. If you don't have an account, you can use my referral code in the description below. And then all you gotta do is go to the markets, search up VRA. And I like this because you can buy it with Bitcoin or USD Tether. So if you have some Bitcoin, just transfer over to Kucoin and then just go to VRA/Bitcoin, and then you can buy it with Bitcoin or USD Tether. Now again, like I said, the con is the withdrawal fee, which is a good amount. Now again, VRA at the moment right now has been pumping the last couple of days, so hopefully in the future Kucoin will decrease that withdrawal fee. But when I did more research, I found the best way to buy VRA, and it's not through Kucoin or Gate.io. It does require a little bit more steps. Trust me, it is worth it. So the way that I found the best way to buy VRA is through their official website wallet, okay? This is the best way for the main reason that you can stake and get 25.5% APY and you get paid out daily. And that is just awesome because if you believe in VRA, if you're gonna hold for a long term, you can just hold it in the official website wallet and earn free VRA basically every single day just by holding. The question is, how do I buy VRA here in their official wallet? And another thing too is there's no withdrawal fees or withdrawal limits, okay? Like these other exchanges, you don't have to pay a fee to withdraw or anything like that. So you basically make an account, use an email and password, make sure you save that email and password so you know it at all times. And they also have a Google Authenticator. I definitely recommend that as well because that's just another layer of security, so nobody's trying to hack in. You can have that Google Authenticator, and then every time you try to log in, you put that code that they ask you for. Alright guys, so after you make an account and you log in, okay, I'm gonna show you guys here how to buy VRA using their official website, step by step in detail. So right here they have 3 tabs: my wallets, my account, staking. It tells you here the staking here in detail, how much you can earn, and basically it's 24 hours and this is how much you get per day, 0.07%. And one of the things too is after, if you want to unstake it, you just have to wait 72 hours for it to be unstaked. So then the question is, how do you buy it? You're gonna go here right here to the left tab and you're gonna click on instant buy VRA and stake. As you guys can see right here, you can only buy using these 4 cryptos right here, which is BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and USDT, USD Tether. Those are the only ones that you can buy VRA at the moment right now. And the way that you buy them is you basically send it from one of your exchanges to the address that they give you for it here. So for example, let's say you got some Bitcoin, right? You got some Bitcoin and you're able to withdraw that Bitcoin. You're gonna click on Bitcoin, which is the one that I actually use to buy VRA. So then right here, you're gonna put the exact amount of Bitcoin that you want to send over, and make sure this is the exact amount. And the way to find this out is to just basically go on your exchange. You just put $1,000 in exchange and it should say how much Bitcoin is worth for $1,000 at the moment. You just copy that Bitcoin amount and paste it right over here, or whichever amount you're gonna invest in. 0.012. As you guys can see right here, it even tells you how much VRA that is worth at the moment. Okay, and it also tells you, what I like about this is the daily reward, which is awesome because this is how much you're gonna get for staking that VRA per day. 7 VRA, which is pretty good. Yearly reward, it tells you here as well. So after you have the exact amounts, you click on buy and stake, and then after you click on buy and stake, it's basically gonna take you to the Bitcoin address for this account. And then what you want to do is copy that Bitcoin address. After you click buy and stake, is going to give you the Bitcoin address. Copy that Bitcoin address, go back to your other exchange that you hold Bitcoin, then you're going to send that Bitcoin over to here to buy the VRA. And then when you withdraw it, you're going to put the destination address, this Bitcoin address, okay? Make sure you're sending Bitcoin to this Bitcoin address or else your funds are going to be lost. And also a big thing too is copy and paste the address, okay? Maybe you're using your phone and you're doing this on the computer. Well, copy the address, send it on your Twitter message or some other type of message. Go on your phone, copy it, and then put it in. You don't want to try to type it number by number and all that stuff because it can definitely go wrong. So copy and paste it, and then just simply send that Bitcoin over. And then when you send it, you instantly buy VRA. It's just as easy as that. That's why it's called instant buy VRA. And one very important detail to note too, guys, is that to stake VRA, to get that 25.5% staking, you need a minimum, okay? There is a minimum to stake it, and that is 10,000 VRA, okay? Right here, minimum amount per stake. Now again, you don't have to buy this all at once. You could buy 5,000 VRA, and then a month from now you buy another 5,000, and then you could press stake, and then you'll start staking. And then basically your main wallet is going to be the wallet where you get your rewards. So the rewards that you get from staking is going to go to your main wallet. It's not going to go back into the staking wallet until you have at least 10,000 VRA. Then you could put into stake. So that's basically how it works. This, in my opinion, is definitely the best way to do it from their official website, not Kucoin or Gate.io. So like I said, you just want to take it step by step when you're buying that VRA, sending your Bitcoin or Ethereum. But that's how you guys do it. That's how you buy VRA Verasity. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Watch my other video about VRA if you want to learn more about it. And yeah, check out my free Facebook crypto group, my Reddit crypto group, and check out my Patreon as well to support. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.